Today we are going to learn about skip counting. Now skip counting should be taught to all the lower kindergarten kids, that is to all the LKG PP1 kids at the earliest. The reason is that very soon, that is in the upper kindergarten, they would be introduced with multiplication, addition, subtraction, etc. Now in that case, skip counting is going to help them to understand the concepts of skipping numbers, odd, even, and several other concepts are related to skip counting. Skip counting can be done or is generally taught in mathematics by 2, 5 and 10. That is skip counting by 2. For example, you can see the grid which is in front of you. This skip counting grid tells you about right from 2 till 100 by skipping the numbers 2 each. Okay. So I would just read out to you. Meanwhile, make sure that you have also prepared the same. I'll tell you why. So skip counting helps the child and aids in further mathematics understanding of several other concepts right from multiplication tables, addition, subtraction, etc. Let us begin. You can see easily how this grid has been made. There's a skip counting which begins right from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Similarly, continues and moves on until 100. So from 2 to 100, I have mentioned the skip counting by 2. I hope this is clear. And now moving on to skip counting by 5. You can see over here I have mentioned skip counting by 5. So generally kids are asked, or rather sums are there, problems are there, mathematics questions are there whereby they are supposed to solve the problems by skip counting. You can see I have again started from 5 and ended at 100. So skip counting grid would start from 5 with a skip counting of 5 in between all the numbers and would reach up till 100. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and goes on accordingly until 100. I hope this grid is also clear to all of us. So skip counting by 5, taking a skip of 5 digits again. Next is skip counting by 10. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Always remember that you should start with the skipping whatever digit it is. If it is by 2, it starts with 2. If it is by 5, it starts at 5. If it is at 10, it starts at 10 accordingly. Generally in LKG we introduce children for 2, 5 and 10 skip countings. So again it started from 10 and ended at 100. So 3 grids which I showed to you people, I have made it over here and I have kept it in front of all of you. Make sure that you are making the same and you are asking your child to revise the same on regular basis. You can very well make the same chart as I have made. On the same chart you can write down skip counting by 2, skip counting by 5 and skip counting by 10. As and when the child is able to understand and figures out skip counting by 2, can later be introduced about skip counting by 5 and skip counting by 10. So stick it on his or her next to her study table or wheresoever the child sits and studies, so that for continuous and regular revision it is right in front of his or her eyes. Now after learning the same, the worksheets for the same can be given in a similar way. You can see it over here that the first one is skip counting by 10. If you want, you can keep the entire series blank. It means that after 10 you can give entire blanks and reach up till 100. But initially I would always suggest that it is better to give few numbers in between so that the child is able to relate that what is going to come next. Do not make it too complex at the very beginning. If you do that, it will become difficult for the child to interpret and understand what is going to come next. So initially keep it simple and slowly or gradually increase the difficulty level. So the first worksheet which you can generally make, or you can give this for skip counting by 10. Next comes for skip counting by 5. You can see that again I have kept 1 or 2 gaps in between and I have reached until 100. It's up to you. That is, first of all, if the child has learnt up till 50, then fine, he or she can be given until 50 only, and gradually you can increase it until 100. Similarly, the skip count by 2 is pretty big, because again you just need to skip by 2 and then finally by reaching 100 there are a lot of numbers. So you can divide the entire grid into 2 parts, say like first of all from 2 to 40 and then again from 40 to 80, and accordingly you can keep on increasing. So first of all I have already shown it to you that how we can keep on increasing the same. So again, once you try to make it more complex, straight away blanks reaching up till 40. If you want to keep it easy, make sure you are giving one number each between the blanks. So I hope that this worksheet and the grid, whatever I told you people today, would be quite helpful for you to understand the skip counting concept which is introduced to the kids in LKG, and also make sure that you make similar kind of worksheets as I have shown to you people over here, and you help out the child in order to understand how skip counting is done, such that he or she does not face as much problem when reaches to UKG and has to be introduced to multiplication. So skip counting by 2, 5 and 10 must be introduced to the child as early as possible in LKG. I hope this is useful, and do make a chart mentioning the same and stick it wheresoever your child sits down for studies. I hope this is useful for all of you, and you can also incorporate the same into worksheets. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.